Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. This is the Velocity Speedboat from Force1, and with a name like Velocity, you know it's gonna be fast. Or is it? It claims to have a max speed of 20 miles per hour. It includes stuff like extra batteries and spare parts and things, and a transmitter, so pretty much everything you need to actually just take it out of the box and throw it in the water. It also has a high-speed engine. Full function stop, whatever that means, flip over recovery, which we're gonna test out, and some other stuff. Also, I flipped this boat over with my GoPro on it. Will I ever get it back? Find out right now. Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and this is actually the first ever boat that I've had on RC with Adam. So this is super exciting. Let's test it out. Oh yeah. This thing is horrible. Okay, I think we should probably find a little bit more water. Let's take it out in the creek, because you don't see speedboats in creeks too often. So, we have a bit of a current here, but it kind of slows down in other spots. So let's put this in here and just try it out, see how it works, and we should be able to just follow it all around the creek. That'd be pretty cool. So first of all, let's see if it floats. It does float. Ooh, we're hitting that rudder, so this could be bad. Oh my gosh, holy smokes, that is really fast. Okay, unfortunately the rudder doesn't really seem to be uh-oh. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm trying to back up here. There we go. Oh, nope, I don't want to hit that. Okay, and I've just grounded it. All right. Oh wow. Wow, Adam. Let's back up. Fortunately, it has reverse, which is super important. I don't think the rudder is doing very much. Oh. Okay, maybe this was a terrible idea. This was probably a terrible idea. This is not what this boat is made for at all. But check it out. We can go upstream though. We have a lot of power. I mean, really, you know. If I'm just trying to get out into some deeper waters here. Oh shoot, that's not good. Here, let's actually, yeah, I need to. All right. I'm gonna help the boat a little bit. Come on, little boat. Did I mention this was the first boat I've ever really used? Ooh, that's nicer. That's nicer right there. But, you know, we don't have a whole lot of rudder capability. Oh man, that actually goes pretty dang fast. The only problem is oh man. Am I stuck? I'm sort of stuck. Okay, I didn't quite anticipate that it would be a little bit tricky to maneuver. So you got just your basic throttle and then your left and right. Oh no. Now I've really grounded it. Oh, that's bad. Okay, I'm just gonna let the current take me away. Okay, this was a horrible idea. Pretty cool though, really. It sounds really bad when it's reversing. All right. Okay. Golly. So interesting thing about this boat was the first kind of thing I've seen about it was that it has this little I guess a little brass nubbin right there, and I'm not sure how this works exactly, but basically it's made so that it will only activate when you're in the water. But if you touch that, let me see, yeah, if you touch that and that, you can actually get this to turn on. So just in case you need to check something, so see, look, that's how much right rudder we have, that's how much left rudder we have. That doesn't seem quite right. So
Maybe we can trim it. Can we trim it? So trim, that's throttle trim. So let's see, S, so steering trim. We want to trim this to go to the right. It's still not very much. I'm very concerned I'm gonna get this thing stuck and then have to go into the cold water. Seems like if you go at nice slow speeds, we get some good turning going on. Again, not as much turning to the right though. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna make it through that portion up there. Wow. Man, that thing, like, you can really cut that thing. Ha! That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna have to take this out to a better location here, because this is just really not ideal. One thing I do want to test now though, just to see if it even floats, is this this GoPro. Well, I mounted this GoPro on this other canopy because they sent me 2 boats, like just different colors, so it's the same canopy. But I want to see how the balance works with this other canopy and the GoPro. Ooh, she floats, she floats. Ooh, nice. See, it would look a lot nicer if I had this GoPro on there, but I'm not gonna put my new GoPro on this little boat. Oh, wow. Oh my. It is really dipping down. That's cool. That is cool. Let's put it back in there. Okay, I think it works well enough. Let's take this to some bigger waters. Oh wow, it's when you're going fast, it is like really touchy, and you can turn like plenty good when you got good speed. Yeah, I mean it's going far enough out there that it's like kind of hard to see it. Hard for me to see it anyway. Let's bring it on back a little bit. It's a little choppy today, not super calm. So yeah, you can see how much tighter we can turn going to the left. Oh, look at the water in the middle. That's so cool. What I want to test out is to see if we can actually recover if it gets turned. See, so it's upside down. Oh, it just uses the torque from the motor. Okay, that's pretty cool actually. Just throttle up and down and it will just eventually rock the boat back over. That's pretty cool. Dang, it turns really fast when it's doing those quick left-hand turns. I'm gonna be very careful with it with the GoPro on. At least that's the plan. Now, something that's pretty cool about boats that you don't see, well, you don't see with airplanes, because airplanes don't usually go in the water unless it's a float plane, but is this cooling tube. It's pretty cool because it's pretty neat because it scoops up the water back here in the back in this little scoop right there, and then it shoots it through this tube, sends it through there, and then it goes through this metal coil around the motor, and that cools the motor, and then it spits it out up front, which is kind of interesting because you would think that it would start at the front and go to the back, but I guess because of the way the boat is, the nose raises up when it's going forward, it's better to scoop it up back here and then send it towards the front, and that helps cool the motor down, because otherwise you don't really get much airflow, but you do get water flow. So that's just kind of a fun fact about boat motor cooling. So before I actually send this off to sea, what I want to do is test out and see. Well, first let's get them. There we go. So they're paired. So what I want to do first is actually turn this upside down right here, and just to see if I can right the boat. I don't know if I can. Please stay on, GoPro. Please stay on. So if I was gonna... Yeah, I cannot. And you probably wouldn't want to do that too much because your motor is not getting any cooling that way. I think this propeller might be loose. There we go. We're just nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. Just taking it out for a little jaunt. Really, the most important thing is that the GoPro stays attached to the boat. That's the most important thing. It's actually much more maneuverable with the GoPro on. I think because the back end sits farther down in there. Like, yeah, especially with the left-hand turn, I don't know, maybe we can get some cool shots. Like, I don't want to get it too much in the seaweed or anything, but maybe we can drive it. The memory card got filled up, which is very sad. But even more sad, my little boat. Oh no, are there fish trying to... Oh my gosh. I think fish are trying to eat my boat. I'm thinking I can get this other boat working and then go and get that boat. So that's what I'm going to try and do. We'll see how it goes. But all I have now is my camera, my phone camera to film. Okay, it's still out there. I think we're back in business because I got this baby going. With that, I just had to take the batteries out of that transmitter, which is for that, but that doesn't matter anymore. So now I'm going to try and use this. Wish me luck. I probably can't really film this because I need both hands. So, yeah, well, I'll be right back. Okay, I really do need two hands to tug on it. Anyway, he's going for it. Maybe I should just push it to the other side. I don't know. Oh, I missed it. This is my first time using the green boat, actually. It's a good thing it, works. Uh-oh, I hope I don't get stuck. So, now the boats are actually stuck together.
I guess that wasn't really an improvement, unless I can... Sounds like it's just tearing at the other one, and I don't want it to sink it. So I'm probably just gonna have to wait for it to drift towards me. Oh boy. Okay, I actually got a tow hook on. I just need to somehow steer it the right way. Because now it just kind of wants to go in a circle. But I think I can figure something out here. Just wants to go in a circle. Okay, I got it. I finally got it to steer in to here, and now here's the moment of truth. I'm pretty sure the GoPro is still attached and everything's good. Oh gosh, come back. Oh, no, I don't care about you. Okay. Oh, that was a close one. Let's see how much water we have in here. Okay. There's a little bit of water in there, not too bad. Okay, so that is the Velocity boat from Force1. You can definitely have some fun with them. Just don't put a GoPro on the top and then flip it upside down. But at least it does have the, auto kind of flip thing over self-correcting feature, but just not with a GoPro. So I think that's going to do it. That was a close one. I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Wow. Be sure to subscribe if you like what you see and you want to see more. And I will see you again very soon.